Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeVore taking a look at what I think is going to be a very busy place this afternoon, and that is the beach in Holland. We're looking out over the North Beach, and as you can see this morning, we are looking at really tranquil conditions, and it'll stay that way from start to finish. In fact, this afternoon, temperatures will make it into the upper 70s along the lakeshore, low 80s inland, almost feeling like a summer preview. And of course, officially 2 weeks from today is Memorial Day. Almost hard to believe May is going by so fast. Downtown Grand Rapids, this is looking off to the north, out over the Grand River. Temps in the 40s to around 50 degrees in most inland areas. We did make it up to 71 degrees yesterday. What a gorgeous Mother's Day. We had all the sunshine around, a gentle breeze, and temperatures that were a few degrees above average. So far this month, by the way, we have had the last 3 days with temps above average, and it's been kind of a 50-50 proposition so far this month. We've had a few days with temps in the 50s and 60s for highs, and a few days with high temps in the mid to upper 70s. Today, we'll make it into the low 80s. Today will likely be the warmest day we've had so far in 2025. We actually did hit 80 already last month. April 24th, we had a high of 81 degrees. Today, we're forecasting 82. The beginning of a summery feeling week of weather. Muggier air begins to build in tomorrow with a chance of a few isolated showers and storms developing starting tonight into tomorrow and occasionally over the next several days. We've got slightly cooler air on tap for the weekend. In fact, by Saturday and Sunday, we may not see those high temperatures get out of the 60s. This week, though, enjoy if you're somebody who really loves that slightly or muggier feeling weather. As you can see, we've got dew points that will be in the 60s this week, and that is again putting us in that slightly humid range. Once we get above 65 degrees for a dew point, that's when it starts to feel uncomfortable. We won't get quite that sticky, but we definitely are going to be looking at some muggier feeling air starting to build in. Here's a look at the satellite radar composite storm system or storm track well to our north in the Great Lakes region and upper Midwest. Also looking off to our south, there's quite a dynamic storm system across the Gulf Coast states, and we'll get some of those high and mid-level clouds that will roll into West Michigan for today, and that will set the stage for a few showers later tonight into early tomorrow. Here's a look at the future track, and as you can see, that moisture and energy coming in from south to north. This is overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow won't be a washout, but we will start to see a few isolated pockets of showers and thunder showers developing, and this will be one of those summertime situations where we have maybe some heavy rain at your house and your neighbor just a block or two away stays completely dry. Any precip does fall apart tomorrow night. During the day Wednesday, we'll start to see some heavier pockets of rain developing along and east of US 131. Thursday, we're watching very closely. This is the Storm Prediction Center's outlook for Thursday, so day 4, which brings at least a very small chance for some severe weather, so we'll watch it closely as we head through the next couple of days. In the meantime, temperatures well into the 80s on Thursday, 70s on Friday. Cooler temperatures build in for the weekend, and that's the beginning of a pattern shift. The 8 to 14 day outlook takes us to Memorial Day, and you can see cooler air will be settling into the upper Midwest and Great Lakes.